Be the one you want to be. My little 2.5-year-old daughter sings this song because it's part of that Diana Roma series that she's kind of fond of. And it made me reflect on career choices in life. Be the one you want to be. Most of our choices in life, if you take a dipstick survey of 100 or 1000 odd individuals, are driven by what our parents want us to do, what our uncles and aunties want us to do, our peers, what they are doing. We are not cognizant of what is our inner calling. So I know people who've jumped onto the CA bandwagon or want to do an MBA or want to do UPSC only because it has been that unfulfilled dream of their parents some 25-30 years old back that they now want to fulfill. And if they were to be told what is your inner calling, it could have been probably some unconventional career such as photography or cooking or maybe music or dramatics, event management, or someone would have studied fine arts in terms of literature or journalism, but everyone will go through the conventional route, try to crack the UPSC because that is supposed to be the coolest thing to do on earth. And after spending 3-4 attempts in that UPSC thing, they will not clear it because that is not their internal calling and they will be labeled as a failure by society. Why don't you want to be what you want to be? Why do you want to be what your dad, your mom, your uncle, your aunt wants you to be? And especially where over some repeated efforts, it is very clear that this is not your inner calling. That is something that I wanted to tell you in the form of this video. Our brains are naturally wired towards some specific activity in this entire universe. Someone wants to be a doctor, someone's brain is naturally geared towards being a data scientist. Someone really loves econometrics, someone loves analytics, someone really wants teaching as a career, very good at it. But since it's not a popular career choice, they will opt for something else in return and end up being suboptimal versions of what they should actually have been. So friends, why can't we resist that pressure to succumb to their choices, the ones whom we really love and respect? Why can't we have the guts to tell them that, okay, you want me to prepare for UPSC, you want me to go for MBA, you want me to go for CA, but this is not my inner calling. I want to do something else. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a biologist. Maybe, something which I really love and I will really excel at doing that. And there are umpteen examples of people who've now really followed their passion. Maybe, these YouTubers who are now making a lot of money, maybe lakhs of money through popularizing their channel. That is something because, if you look at Technical Guruji, for example, he just loves product review, unboxing of the latest electronic reviews. That's how he created his niche for himself in the market. Of course, there is this survivorship bias. There are only, the Technical Guruji who is successful. You do not know the thousands of other Technical Gurujis who wanted to be Technical Gurujis but could not because, somehow they got lost in that entire rat race. That set aside, your probability of success becomes far higher if you're doing something which you really love, which is your inner calling. If, for example, numbers is my forte, and if I build a career in financial planning analysis, in budgeting, in M&A, valuation, financial modeling, I'm going to do very well in it. If content creation is my real USP, if I go for journalism, I have a friend who has his own startup in terms of media reporting, my schoolmate. Because writing content in English, journalism, content creation was his calling and he leveraged that. Someone who wanted to be a sports commentator and today is one of the most successful maybe event managers in the sports arena. How is that possible? That's possible only because people realize that they will do best if they follow their internal calling. So what has been your inner calling? Have you really gone by that, or have you succumbed to the wishes of someone else? And how has been your experience? Let's understand in the comment section below. And I'm sure that you will resonate with this content because this is something which I find when I talk to a lot of individuals. This is the reality. People are doing things just because someone else wants to be. So I will repeat, be the one you want to be. That is what you should be, your natural self. All right. Bye bye.